Hello everyone, I want to record this short demo video showing how you can use Dakota Marketplace for your RIA merger and acquisition activity. It's obviously a growing area and a lot of folks are using our platform for this, so let's dive right into it. First, here I am on the home page. You can see we have job changes and role changes, just letting you know anytime you're reaching out to someone, they are indeed where we say they are, and you can see exactly the time that role has changed. Now over here, if you wanted to stay up to date on other RIA merger and acquisition activity, you can click in and see our roundup here, where we're showing all of the different RIA M&A, everything that was announced, everything that was finalized, organized by region. You can click into any of these accounts and see a ton of additional information as far as who the buyer was, who the seller was, what minority investments they were, any rumored M&A activity is coming, and then even international news. But now what if I actually wanted to go and do some RIA merger and acquisition activity myself? I wanted to find some people to reach out to. First thing I would do is come over here to the accounts tab. I would go to all accounts and click on investment allocators. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and sort this for RIAs, and I'm just gonna say I'm looking for a max of 5 billion AUM. Now you can see I have over 8,000 RIAs that I can think about that are over 5 billion AUM. Where, let's say I'm planning a trip to Fort Lauderdale. I can click in to Providence Wealth Advisors. First, on this top section, I can see a ton of key information about the business. Right here on the homepage, I can see how long they've been registered with the SEC, their CRD number, AUM per client base, total number of accounts, and their high net worth client percentage. Next, I can see all of that information I would expect to have seen from the Form ADV on the IAPD website in much more structured fields here in Dakota Marketplace. All of this filterable against. I can even see the owners with the ownership codes. So here you see a list of owners who owns a percentage of this business. And then down below, you have all of the relevant contact information as well. So if I just click into this individual who we know owns around 5% of the business from that last feature, I can see a bio, email address, LinkedIn profile, and so on. As I scroll across the rest of these tabs, I can see a ton of qualitative information about them. So in this case, they're actually duly registered as a broker-dealer. They partner with Raymond James in some capacity. Do they invest in alts? In this case, they do invest in alts. And then I can even see all of their 13F investment holdings. So here showing 413 13F investments that they have allocated to. I can click into any of these and see the actual investment history as well. So you can go ahead and see all the past filings of every individual investment that they've made. That would be from the custom list view perspective. But if you were traveling, you can do this from the metro area perspective as well. So let's just say I'm going into Philadelphia. I can click into Philadelphia and see here are all of the RIAs in Philadelphia that I should think about reaching out to. Naturally, if I clicked into any of these, I would see that same level of information that I just saw. If you have any key prospects and you want to be aware of any changes that happen to them, you can follow these accounts. Once you follow the account, you'll get a real-time alert in your email inbox, letting you know anytime there's been a change associated with this account. There's a lot more you can do in Dakota Marketplace, but hopefully this highlights how you can use Dakota Marketplace to find key ownership information for RIAs and find key prospects for your merger and acquisition activity. There's a lot more that you can do in Dakota Marketplace for RIA merger and acquisition activity. And to learn more, you can book a demo on our website today.